In my last video, this video right here, I show you how you can open a Beacons account and how easy it is to open a Beacons account. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload your first digital product and how you can add affiliate links to your Beacons account. Let's go to the computer. Once you're logged in, it's going to greet you and ask you, where do you want to start today? So today, we want to add a link in bio, and we're going to add a digital product to our store. So if you click your link in bio right here, you see you have nothing in your link in bio. And if you click on your store, you have nothing in your store. So we're going to add a link in bio first. This is what I want you to do. I want you to go over to a site called Creative Fabrica. What is Creative Fabrica? Creative Fabrica, according to Google, is a marketplace that offers digital download for a variety of crafting and design projects, including fonts, graphic, images, classes, and more. So Creative Fabrica is a space for creative. Why am I telling you about Creative Fabrica? I want you to become a member of Creative Fabrica. It's $4 per month, $47 for the entire year. This is the really cool part about Creative Fabrica. In order to get an affiliate link so you could share it with people, you do not have to be a paying member of Creative Fabrica. So sign up for a subscription. Once you're signed up for your subscription, you're going to go to your affiliate dashboard right here. This is where you're going to find your affiliate link. This is it right here. You see right here where it's telling you, this is your unique URL code that you're going to share with people, and it's telling you the commission that you would get. It says here, customer buy a product, you get 25% of whatever they pay. And if they subscribe, you get 20% every time their subscriptions get renewed forever. So it's super cool to become a member of Creative Fabrica, for me at least, because I'm in the creative space and I'm in the digital download space. So you want to find affiliate link that is unique to your niche. So we're going to go over here to Creative Fabrica. We're going to copy this link here. This is how you're going to do that. Go to your affiliate dashboard. Then you're going to go over here and hit referral URL generator. And once you're here, you're just going to hit generate URL. Copy this URL. Then we're going to go over back to our Beacons account right here. Then you're going to say add a block, add a link, add link, paste this link right here. Click add. Then you're going to type in, give it the topic and said become an affiliate for Creative Fabrica. Then you can put an image right here. I suggest you put an image. So we're going to go back to Creative Fabrica and see if we could find an image that we could add to our listing here. I opened this Beacons account so I can do tutorials to show you guys how you can open a Beacons account and how you can upload things into it. Beacons is the bomb. I love Beacons and I hope you guys take advantage of it. So we're going back over here to Creative Fabrica and we want an image. Let's see what kind of image we can get here. All right, let's type in Creative Fabrica and see what happened. Creative, see what happened. Maybe we'll see something that has Creative Fabrica on it that we can grab the image to put in our listing. Ooh, look at that, honey. This is nice. Yeah, so we're going to copy this image and put it on our listing. Save image in our download. So we're going back to our Beacons account. We're going to upload the image. Here's the image right here. Accept it. Image is uploaded. Okay, so we're going to go to the layout. You can have the carousel, which looks like that right here. You can have image grid, or you can have a card. I like to have the card and I keep it on the left. You can have it on the right, left, or alternating. So I like it on the left. Then that is saved. So you have a link in bio, an affiliate link, and it looks like this. So this is our first affiliate link. It says become an affiliate for Creative Fabrica. Now you can be creative and write some more descriptive about Creative Fabrica right here, but I just want to show you this is how you can add an affiliate link and how you can have the layout on your Beacons account. Now, we are going to add a digital product to we're going to go to our store. Once you hit your store, you're going to hit digital products. So once you have your digital products, you've already created your digital product. So we're going to put the image. So you click on this here and then you go here to add image. Then you're going to say upload an image. You can do custom image right there. So it looks like that for my listing. What is your product? Then you have to give it a title. So you click on this, then you go over here, the product title. So this is a 2025 calendar. All right, 2025 calendar. How much is it gonna cost? We're gonna leave the $5 for now, or you could give this away for free. I have a lot of freebie on my account. And over here, you're gonna describe what it is. Here's the cool thing about Beacons. You can have AI describe your listing for you. So since this is a free account, you only get like 10 listing where they'll write it for you. So right here, it's telling you how to use it, add some detail about your product, and then the AI will write it for you. So I'm just gonna say this is a 2025 12-month calendar for anyone to download. Okay, generate the text. So the AI is gonna write your listing for you. So let's see what it comes back with. Hello, fellow adventurer. Are you ready to embark on a year of Okay, so this is writing it as if my link in bio. So let me explain this. So I attach one of my YouTube channel, which is a Travel with Sabrina, to this Beacons account. So it's drawing the information from that account and writing it for my audience as if I'm talking to people who are into travel. Isn't that cool? So once you've added all your social media link, Beacons is pretty much tailoring the language for you. So when you have your listing up, you're constantly talking to your audience. This is so cool. This downloadable calendar isn't just a way to keep track of your days. It's a source of travel inspiration sprinkled with trivia. Oh my goodness. This is really cool, guys. I've never used the AI generated description before. I always go to ChatGPT and have it help me. So this is super cool how it's able to tie in your brand just by using the information that is drawing from my Travel with Sabrina YouTube channel. That is so interesting. Okay, so we're gonna use it just so we could get through this tutorial. Say we're gonna use that. Then after that, you're going to add your digital download. So we're gonna leave this as $5. Then the section right here, this is the section right here. So we have the product title, we have the price, we have the description, we have the media. The media is the picture here showing what it is. And now you're going to add the product file. So you just click on the product file, then you hit upload file, then it's a PDF, guys. It's always a PDF. So for me, I've always put PDF. So it's a PDF, and that's it. That's it, guys. You've uploaded it. Then you're going to hit next, add products, the link in bio. Your product is live on your link in bio. Guys, you have added your first digital product to your Beacons account. So you go back to the link in bio, then you can hit here just to see what it looks like. Yay! Isn't that cool, guys? So look, so this is your affiliate link right here, and this is your calendar that you've uploaded. And that's it, guys. You have uploaded your first digital product to your Beacons account, and you have added an affiliate link. Write in the comment section and let me know if you have any questions. Please give this video a thumbs up. I'll greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.